Hey, good evening, my friends. Hey, it's Dwayne Klassen here, and welcome to day 12 of our 30-day Remarkable Man Challenge. Today, we are talking about a very powerful subject that could change your reality like that. Yeah, so you want to stay right to the end. This one is a true game changer. It is the mindset that will blow your mind. Now, before we get into it, if you're brand new to the channel and brand new to the 30-day challenge, I'm doing a new video every day for the next 30 days. In fact, we're on day 12, but they're unscripted, they're unedited, and they're just completely downloaded because I want this to be a powerful conversation between you and I. And I am wanting to drop this information to help you go from where you are to the 2.0 version of yourself, the remarkable man within. As we know, we're in incredible dire straits all over the world, and things are changing dramatically. But you, my friend, are responsible for your life. And that remarkable man, that's the man the world needs right now. We need heroes. We need champions. We truly do. Before we go into it any deeper, let's get into our incantation. I am the best. No one is better than me. I am everyone's first choice. I am a champion. I am a hero. I am a brother. I am a remarkable man. And I'm living a remarkable life. Claim it as yours. Energy is everything. And this is why this topic is so important. See, we believe that there's this line, this linear line, a horizontal line that goes from where we are to the remarkable man within. And it's a timeline. And for some of you, you have this vision. And you could say, you know what? He's about 3 months away. If I was really honest with myself, he could be 3 months away. Or he could be 6 months away. Maybe he's a year away. Maybe he's a 5-year plan for you, depending on where you're at. But in the grand scheme of things, we are all one, and we are everywhere all at once, all the time. There's this idea that we live in a holographic universe, and there is a multitude of universes. Now, everything is happening all the time. Creation is already done. Everything is taken care of. It's already done. Because if you can envision it in your imagination, there's a vibrational frequency out there somewhere that is an exact match to it. So instead of it being a linear timeline to getting there, 3 months, 6 months, a year, it's actually a horizontal integration of the man you need to be. It's not necessarily all this work and effort in this timeline. It is who you're being. It's a vibrational frequency of who you're being. So I just want you to try this exercise for a moment. I want you to close your eyes, take 3 or 4 deep breaths. And as you're clearing that energy, just kind of relax into the seat that you're at. I want you to let go of this reality. And in fact, wrap yourself with this golden white cloud, this mist that just takes away all the trappings of this reality. Just allow yourself to fade into this golden white light. And as you do, now that fog, that mist begins to dissipate, and in its place, you find yourself in your dream home. Your dream home, whatever that looks like. Don't worry about the view, because the view can change. They could be different. It could be all kinds of different things. It could be a beach. It could be a lake. It could be a desert. It could be, an ocean bluff. It could be a beautiful valley. It could be a fertile plain. Doesn't matter. But to you, I want you to just envision the interior of this house. And as you do, with every ounce of your imagination, I want you to be in that home. Now, I want you to be holding your favorite mug. Yeah, your favorite mug. And it might be a half mug of tea, could be hot chocolate, could be your favorite coffee, could be a Monte Cristo, whatever it is. It's just you holding that mug. Now, I want you also envision you wearing the clothes that's in keeping of who you are in that home. What are you wearing? Is it a really nice sweater? Are you in a suit? Are you wearing shorts and a t-shirt? Do you have your favorite shades on? Are they up on top of your head? Are they on? Are you looking pretty regal? Yeah. Is your body rocking? Are you in the best shape of your life? Your clothes just flatter you. You look amazing. And as you're holding your mug, you're looking great in whatever clothes that you are that embody the remarkable man as you envision him. I also want you to see your beloved coming up to you. Yeah. And if you're in a relationship right now, I'm trusting that's going to be her. And your beloved comes up and gives you a kiss and asks if you want a top up. And you're like, no, I'm good. I'm good. And she trots off and you look at her and you're going, damn, I'm a lucky man. I'm a lucky man. And perhaps if you have children, they come in, depending on what their age is, they're acting accordingly, but they're acting at a different level as well. They're well behaved. They are just really wise beyond their years. And perhaps if they're adult children, they're coming in and they're going, hey, Dad, great to see you. I'm just enjoying this visit. It's wonderful. We're just going to go over here. We're going to be out back or out front or whatever, or downstairs. And you're just feeling this overall sense of well-being that you've got it. You've got it. Now, here's the other piece. I want you to go from believing that to knowing that this is who you are. This is your truth. Knowing that. Just feel the knowingness that this is your reality. Not in the future. Not in the future. Now. Because it's happening right now. It's in your imagination. It's happening right now. And in order for this imagination to happen, it has to be out there in some way, shape, or form. And the more you embody this energy, the more the universe has to coalesce and find circumstances and situations to make that a reality. It's just how it works. So I want you now to envision the white mist coming back. You're still there. You're still in your home. Just take a one last look around. Get all the details. See what's on the coffee table. See how the cushions are on the big couch. Maybe it's a L shape or it's a U-shaped couch. And you see a couple wingback chairs or your favorite chairs or a modern, sexy chair. Whatever it is. See some detail. Maybe there's a blender on the counter on that massive island from earlier. You guys had some protein shakes, green smoothies. So envision that. And now all of a sudden the mist comes back. You feel a sense of just belonging, a sense of knowing, a sense of just gratitude and feeling good. This is who you are. And as that mist envelops you, everything is just now you and the mist are one. And now allow the mist to dissipate and you are back in this reality, in your chair, wherever you are. And now just breathe deep and return when you are ready. My brother, the fact that, and I want you to practice this. Remember yesterday we talked about 21 days. of practicing, envisioning, or doing, getting actionable to break some habits or form new habits. I want this to be one of your habits, to really go deep into the imaginary and see it as the wish fulfilled. Because the more you integrate that, the more it becomes in this vertical integration of a timeline. And you can attract all kinds of miracles. You can attract all kinds of expedited moments that are in keeping with that remarkable man. And then start acting like him now. Start dressing like him now. Act dignified, dress as if, feel as if, take ownership as if. It is now. It is happening now. It's not some timeline in the future that everything has to match up and you're going to bust your ass, kicking ass and doing all this grind shit. Yeah, you got to do the work. And sometimes this, my friend, is the hardest work you'll ever do, of living from the wish fulfilled, living from that reality. It's a core fundamental piece from Neville Goddard and the law of attraction. This is powerful. Instead of it being horizontal, go vertical. It's an integration. It's a vibrational frequency. Match that frequency and watch how things start to come to you faster, faster, and faster. All right, brothers, that's what I got for you today. Hope this is of value. Please like, share, comment on it. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And of course, subscribe to the Remarkable Man Project YouTube channel. And if you want more support, more connection, more brotherhood, join the Remarkable Man Project School community. It is an amazing community of like-minded men from around the world that are all here to level up and go to the remarkable man they know that's within. If you want support with that, join for free the Remarkable Man Project School community. Click the link below. And if you want to work together, you want to do a deeper dive and explore your coaching options, then click the link below and book your breakthrough discovery call. Let's have a powerful conversation about where you want your next breakthrough. And we can explore if we're a fit to work together. My brothers, at no other time in history does the world need remarkable men. My question to you is, will you be one of them? Join us here for the next 30 days and beyond. Episode 13 is coming tomorrow. Remember, you're not alone on the journey. At the Remarkable Man Project, we've got your back. Talk to you soon. Cheers.